After I learned this recipe, I never bought ice cream at the store again. It's cheap and yields a lot. Let's get started. In the blender, I'm going to use one package of strawberry gelatin, 8 ounces of hot water, and we're going to blend it well. You can make it with other flavors like pineapple, passion fruit, grape, lemon. It's quite versatile. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? I love strawberry. Comment below, I want to know. Now I'm going to add 8 ounces of cold water, 14 ounces of condensed milk. This ice cream is so delicious, folks. It's super creamy. And 7 ounces of heavy cream. Let's blend it again for 3 minutes. I'm going to pour it into an ice cream container, but you can use any container you have at home. I'll cover it and leave it in the freezer for 2 hours. I'm going to use a mixer and pour in the ice cream. It will have a somewhat soft texture. Now we'll have to mix it for at least 12 minutes, which will double in volume and have that creamy ice cream texture we need. It's super creamy. Now just pour it back into the ice cream container. And look how much it makes. There's some left. Later, I'll put it in a smaller container. Cover it again and put it in the freezer for 6 hours. I'll show you later. It's ready. Look at how creamy it turned out, just like store-bought ice cream. And the cool thing is you can make it in other flavors, plus it's refreshing and delicious. Thank you for watching until the end. I'm Laura from Want More Recipes. See you in our next video. God bless. Take care. Bye.